So that's booking. Now we're going to talk about public booking. Public booking is your links, your buttons, your way that your customers can reach out, discover you, book appointments with you, sign up for classes. It's great for appointments, for groups, for classes, for workshops, and for selling packages. But we want to make sure we really understand how it works. Public booking, once it's enabled, allows people to request these from your public booking page, right? Which everyone has an individual URL. You can hide this wherever you want to. You can put it under a button, but this will bring people into your realm to where they can sign up from your office hour availabilities. Now you can add as many appointment options as you want. I tend to use my public booking link for a meet and greet session for new clients where it's a quick introduction where we can jump on a quick call. I love it because it also teaches them how to use the Fons system, right? Because this is another way to bring people into the Fons system. New clients sign up, they sign up for an appointment, they already have their account at that point. By the time it comes for them to go ahead and start taking a private appointment, they've already used the system. They know how it works. I also have an option for a private lesson with me. Your public booking link is super clean, which it's got your logo, it's got whatever it is you're offering. Here they can click, they can click on it, like I'll do the meet and greet or I'll do the lesson. If you have multiple providers, it shows who you're booking with. Once they click on that, then they click their date. And as you can see, I have availabilities on this date. I have these 3 times. I'm set on the 15, so someone can book an appointment. This person chose 6:45 and it's booked. So this person has booked this appointment with me from my public booking link. Now, while we're here, each one of these, you do have your public booking link. We talk about that URL that's right in your account. We have embeddable links for multiple spots. Now, we haven't talked about them all yet, but your marketplace, your public booking link, which has all of your availability, like whether it's whatever it is you're selling or offering or your appointments. We also have them for individual appointments. If you have a group class or a workshop or a package, you can make them public. And each one of those is going to have a little thing that says copy public link. And that's going to take them, if you maybe put it under a button on your website to say sign up for a meet and greet, that would take them to that appointment to where they could sign up with you. So this is a way to kind of intertwine and embed the system into whatever existing website or client-facing piece you have that will bring them into your scheduling and billing system in a really beautiful way. So you have your public booking link, right, which is your main URL. But for everything you create, whether it's, this is a group class that has 4 out of 5 people in it, there's 1 opening left, is got a public booking link that I could put under this button where people could sign up.